Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put up a steel frame building. First, site preparation is crucial. Begin by clearing and leveling the ground, ensuring a stable base. Next, pour the concrete foundation, making sure it is perfectly square and level. Accurately embed anchor bolts into the wet concrete. These will secure the steel columns. This meticulous groundwork ensures the entire structure's stability and longevity. With the foundation ready, the next step is assembling the steel frame. Carefully lift and secure the main columns onto the anchor bolts. Then, connect the primary roof beams and secondary purlins to form the roof structure. Don't forget to install all necessary bracing, such as cross bracing, to ensure the frame's stability and resistance against lateral forces. This creates the building's skeleton. Once the frame stands tall, it's time to enclose the building. Begin by attaching girts horizontally to the columns. These will support your wall panels. Next, install the roof panels, often made of durable metal, ensuring proper overlap for excellent weather resistance. Finally, fasten the wall panels securely to the girts, creating a robust and weathertight enclosure for your new structure. With the building enclosed, focus on the finishing touches. Install all doors and windows, along with any necessary ventilation systems. Next, connect essential utilities like electrical wiring, plumbing and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Always perform comprehensive safety inspections and quality checks to ensure everything meets standards before the building is put into use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.